faster to changes in the cell's environment.
To particular challenges.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. So when cells need to grow, the environment can tell them to grow. When they need to respond to invaders, we have a process called the adaptive immune response, which is basically a learned response to invaders. And what is completely new is this concept of a wound response or an injury response.
So this is new.
This is brand new. Yeah,
right.
I mean, we've known about the adaptive immune system, and we've known about growth responses as being important. But what this model does is it puts it all into context. And the way to think about these responses is that they are they're essentially vectors. Yeah? What vectors mean is if you go off in any one vector, it's to the detriment of the other. So if you have a strong growth response, for instance, you suppress the immune system. You also suppress the ability of the cells to respond to wounding. Yeah, and when you look at the extension of this model, into the red areas, you can now see where if you go too far off into any one direction, you end up in a disease condition.
Is this the Th1, Th2 response? This is a more, shall we say, complete model.
It's a more complete model. You can see Th1 and Th2 in here.
Yeah.
Th2 is more towards the top into chronic immune responses, and Th1 is down towards the bottom left.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's the Th1 Th2 model is really it doesn't really explain enough.
No.
Because TGF beta, for instance, people think of TGF beta as well, it just doesn't work.
No. But the thing is, with Th1, Th2, what Th1 we'll say is a normal response. Th2 is a inappropriate response.
Yeah, it's best not to think about that at all, really.
Oh, God.
Because just to basically do it fairly quickly. So, invaders basically promote wound responses in order to suppress the immune system. They do this through the angiotensin system. The angiotensin system is thought to control blood pressure, but that's not what its real function is. Its function is to respond to wounding, accelerate and mediate the body's response to wounds.
Right.
Now, funguses and bacteria and many infections promote this wound response in order to suppress the immune system.
So while I promote the wound response, the actual immune response is suffering.
Yes, basically, yeah.
Yeah.